President William Ruto niwe ũranĩrĩire atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩrĩkĩtie kũnyihia bithi ya arutwo thukuru cia kothi cia moko gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. No kũringana na mũmbunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro, ici no ciĩranĩro cia maheni kuona kwa ihinda iraya ministry ya gĩthomo ndĩkoretwo ĩgĩtũma mbeca cia arutwo aya mathukuru-inĩ.
Tunaona serikali wanarushiana mambo maneno. Mara wanasema school fees ya TVCs ati itakuwa over 100,000. Mara wanasema ni 67,000. Mimi nimeongea na principals katika TVCs katika nchi ya Kenya. Unfortunately, as Kenyans are katika nchi ya Kenya, serikali ikisema kitu, there is very low level of trust. Kwa sababu hata capitation ya last year katika TVCs zetu, serikali hawakutuma.
Ndindi arauga handũ ha kwĩranĩra atĩ bithi nĩ nyihie, thirikari yagĩrĩirwo nĩ gwĩka na ciĩko.
I want to tell those who are in government, school fees and capitation is not dispersed through the word of mouth. It is dispersed through sending money to our learning institutions. Schools are not run through words of mouth. Schools are run through money. Na nyinyi wizara ya elimu mtume pesa ama ni sisi tutakuja kusomea katika hizi TVETs.
Oroho no amenereirie mawatho merũ marĩa rũhonge rwa NTSA rũkĩte namo kũrĩ arĩa magarara mawatho ma barabara marĩtuagĩrwo, kiuga nĩ makũhinyĩrĩria Kenya na marongoreirie gũtongia andũ atanagweta.
Ukienda kuruka bump waone hujaruka bump vile inafaa. At NTSA through ukora, through fraud called a PPP being perpetuated by the same people claiming ati wanasimamisha watu hapo kusema kamera ziwekwe. Their company ati 42 billion shillings. Na hii mambo yote inaitwa PPP. Kwanza hiyo ati wanajipea kadarasi ya 20 years. Can you imagine that? Wakenya tutakubali hayo? Is it even possible?
Arĩtie hĩndĩ ya kũrugũria irathi njerũ na iria ciĩtanĩtio na president wa tene Mwai Kibaki na iria ciakĩtwo na kĩgĩna kĩa ũkũria wa matũra NGCDF thukuru-inĩ wa kothi cia moko wa Kiharu TVC.
This infrastructural growth has not only improved the way we look, our outlook, even the quality of training.
Our area MP ni shujaa wa TVET. Nataka kumshukuru sisi kama wilaya ambayo imepewa the mandate of skilling the young people. He has been very assistive to our mandate.
You are getting the right skills and the market is ready for you. Wale ambao wanafanya cosmetology, I am an investor in that industry ya beauty. Na huko nako acha nikuambie, eyo nawe mwetereire kumweterera. Ona twahinyĩrĩrio na twaga mbeca, atumia maguta no ngemekatia matingetigana namo. Kwa hivyo mfanye bidii, hiyo industry pia inawagojea.
Ribotera Inooro TV kuma Kiambugi Gaturi Kiharu County ya Murang'a. Rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kenothia.